Hi, it's Pete here again, and I've got some very important and exciting news for you because starting very soon is our Black Friday sale. Now, if you've been thinking about adding to your die stash, maybe getting some 3D embossing folders, something like that, or maybe you're thinking of upgrading your machine, or maybe you just want another machine, why not? But there are some fantastic savings on all our machines and tools, and in terms of dies and embossing folders, there are over 218 on the list, and the majority of those are 80% off. Now remember, this is a limited offer, so you have to get this soon because these things are going to fly out. Now, my birthday, and this is true, is Christmas Day, and as such, I am a special emissary from Santa, and he says that you've been very good this year. And you need to treat yourself. He's going to try and get you everything on your list, but maybe it's time for an early Christmas treat, and this is the perfect opportunity. Also, if your order is over £35, 70 euros, or $65, depending which region you're in, then you will get free postage and packing. So remember, the Black Friday sale coming soon for a limited time. I'm going to be there. I'll see you there too. Bye.